Greetings, fellow real estate professionals from Fairview Title Company. Today we're going to talk about increasing your Google ranking through the use of a Google business page. Now, Google business pages can be used for any business, really, but today we're going to focus on using it for real estate agents. So the first thing you want to do is go to www.google.com/mybusiness. Once you go there, you're going to click the green button at the top right, Start Now. Now what you want to do is you want to sign into your Google account. It's going to prompt you to do so if you are not signed in. And if you do not have a Google account, which is a Gmail account, then go ahead and create one and then come back to this video. We're not going to show you how to create a Google account. It's fairly simple. So anyway, once you sign into your Google account, you're going to come to this page here where it shows the United States, and you want to enter your business name right here at the top. And now you're going to search this business name in order to verify that there's not a business page already created for you. Most likely there won't be. So once you search for it, you won't find it, then you click Add Your Business. Once you get to this page, you'll now enter your business name. Now as an individual agent, I suggest you put your name, your full name, comma, space, realtor. This is the best way to identify yourself instead of just your name. This is how people most likely will search for you. And then you put your address, city, state, zip, phone number. Category is going to be real estate agents, and you want to put yes, you do deliver goods and services to your customers at their location. Then you click the continue button. Then this is where you put in your place that you do business. You can put it by city, you can put it by state, county, zip code, area. So we're just doing by city and state. Then you click add, and then you also put I also serve customers at my business address. Then you click continue. Now actually to back up, I would suggest using your office address and not your home address, but you can decide that for yourself. Now once you do that, you click you authorize to manage this account, and you agree to the terms of service. Then you click continue, and then it'll take you to this page. This is going to be what the postcard looks like. So they're going to have to send you a postcard to verify the business, to verify that you can receive mail at that address. And until you receive that postcard, your Google business page will be non-public. It won't be published. Only you can access it. So it takes usually 1 to 2 weeks or so to receive that card. Then once you do, you'll go to google.com/mybusiness, the same place you went, this same site, and then you enter the it's a 5-digit code actually, to verify the account. But before you do that, you can still access the account before it's even published. So we're going to go ahead and skip the tour here, because I'm going to give you the tour. Now the first thing you want to do is add photos. So click on Manage Photos, and then we're going to add a profile picture. So you just upload one from your computer, and I suggest not a selfie, but something that just represents you. A professional headshot is great. Just anything that's a good quality photo of yourself, really. And then it'll take you to this portion of the Manage the Photos page. You can put interior photos, exterior photos, photos of you at work, your team photos. The more pictures you have, the more complete your profile will be considered, and it just helps your ranking. So once you add photos, you click at the top. It says Info, and this is where you're going to put your company info. The more complete your info is, the more you fill out, the more information you fill out, the more complete your profile will be considered, and the higher your ranking will be. So you put your phone number, your email address, your hours of operation, or any other special hours. Now once all your info is in there, you've uploaded your pictures, your profile is basically complete. There's not really much to it. However, you do want to solicit reviews. So once you receive your postcard in the mail with your 5-digit code, and you verify your account and it's gone public, you can now access it online. So for instance, we'll look at my page. It'll look something like this. Here's your Google business page. As you can see, I put my name and I put my company name as well. You can see there's Google reviews here. The more reviews you have, the more 5-star reviews you have, the higher your Google ranking will be. And so when somebody's looking for, say, a real estate agent in your area, hopefully you'll be at the top, just depending on how many 5-star reviews you have compared to other real estate agents in your area. But the best way to solicit a review is to add a domain, because right now, without a domain, you would just say, if you were talking to a customer, somebody you just did a closing with, say, hey, I want a Google review. Google my name, but then you got to scroll down and then click the review button, write a review, and give me a review. There's a few steps there, and people may not actually remember all those steps. So what I do instead is I say, go to bobbyctitle.com. It's my own personal domain, and it takes you right to the review page. So I just say, give me a review. Go to bobbyctitle.com and write a review, please. And then they can do it. But how did I do that? So I went to GoDaddy and I purchased a domain, bobbyctitle.com. It's a domain that you can pretty much just say it, and there's no discrepancy on how to spell it. So it's easy to remember. It's short. It's simple. So what I did is I went to the review page right here, and then I copied this link. I went to GoDaddy, and I pasted it in the forwarding section of the domain. It doesn't have to be GoDaddy. It's whoever you manage your domain. I just happen to manage mine through GoDaddy, and you can just copy and paste that URL from your review into your forwarding settings. So once you do that, it's set up. So it's simple as that. And the more reviews you get, the higher your Google ranking will be. So that's basically it for setting up a Google page. It's pretty simple. The main thing is just waiting. The longest thing is just waiting for your postcard to come in, and once you get your postcard, you go to google.com/mybusiness and put in the code, and you're ready to go. So with that said, if you like this tutorial, go to bobbyctitle.com and give me a nice review about it, and check back for more videos. Thanks a lot, and be sure to click that subscribe button on our YouTube page. Thanks.